Hello guys, good afternoon. Today, let's continue with another shopping vlog. These are my shopping from TK Maxx in Cairns. Okay, first we have the duck dental treat. It's dog chews for my dog. The organic matcha powder. Next, I have this dual-sided back scrubber. Aloe vera soothing cleansing cream. Collagen face mask. Hand soap. Made in Italy. RPR treat my scalp shampoo. Last but not the least, this is repair mask for my hair. Pump hair care. Ta-da! Those are my shopping. I paid around $117 for the lot. So I really like this. Hopefully this will work. Scrubber. So I have to put my favorite body wash in here. I'll take a photo first. While I was at TK Maxx, my husband decided to check out a camping store. And when he picked me up with his friend, yes, he is also a spender. So let's have a look what he purchased at the camping store. So first we have this. It's a battery. It's a lithium battery. Ta-da! And also I bought this upright 110 liters fridge. It's a 12-volt fridge, similar to the fridge here in this van. Look. Ta-da! And aside from that, he's got some freebies. This is free. It's a LED work light, rechargeable work light. This will be our third LED light from that camping store. And it's a wireless fridge thermometer. Look at it. Look guys, I don't know how much he spent in that camping store, but at least he's happy. And I'm happy with my purchases. And really happy with this scrubber. Before I go, I know it's been a while. I have a Christmas present from my sister. Yeah, she gave it to me yesterday. Thank you so much, Ati Virgie. I know it's late. Well, she always forget this. But yesterday, I've got it and put it straight away in our camper van. Ta-da! Oh wow, it's a cushion, or it's like a, it is a cushion. Oh, I love it. I like how soft it is, you know, during winter time. I love it. I can put it in here. Ta-da! Look, then sit. Thank you so much, Ati Virgie. Yeah. Christmas gift for the month of April. Yay! Yesterday we also picked up a sofa bed. We purchased it from seller, Facebook Marketplace seller. We're happy with that sofa bed. It's a compact sofa bed that turns into a double bed. I really love it. Love the design. It has a reasonable price. Yes, and what else? Happy birthday. You know who you are. It was your birthday yesterday. Whew, many more birthdays to come. We have our family members celebrating birthday here in Australia. But anyway, very private person, so We had early dinner and then come home happy and full. Yeah, these days, guys, for that compact sofa bed, we're really glad to buy it because we ordered a sofa bed. We will be expecting it to be in the month of July. That's a long time, and whatever's happening in our world now, so we never know when that will arrive. But we have paid a deposit for that new one, so it will be for our lounge. And this one that we bought yesterday, the compact sofa bed, is for our temporary guest bedroom. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. I promise I'll be uploading another one soon. Yeah, take care, drive safely. Mwah.